Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be properly cleaning my engine bay today. Took her off-roading not so long ago and she's pretty messy. Dirt is on there pretty well. I don't know what this could be, some type of oil, but we're gonna get her all cleaned up properly. Unlike last time, we just sprayed a little bit of water and then we called it a day. We're not gonna do that today. I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to properly clean it without damaging your engine. We're gonna get right into it. We're gonna start first by rinsing her off. Try to get all this dust and mud soaked up so it could be easy removal. I'm gonna let her soak for probably a minute. Now that the water has been resting on to the engine bay for a while, start spraying it with the solution I have. It's pretty windy, so might not be able to get on it that precisely, but we'll make it work. Now that she's a little bit soaked up, we're gonna start getting into the hard parts because it is a pain and I don't like having my engine looking really awful. So she looks a little bit more better. I'm gonna put some water. Hopefully it takes off the rest of the dirt that might be on top of the plastic. And then after that, we're gonna dry it up. And then we're gonna put some protectant on top to make the plastic pop out more. But so far, it's looking great. Alright, she's a bit soaked now, and time to dry it off. It's not gonna come out perfect, but we'll make it work somehow. Alright, now she's all dried up, and we're going to be using some VRP from Chemical Guys. Protects your vinyl, rubber, and plastic for your vehicle. And I've used it before, and it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I really like it. But we're going to get right into finishing off the engine bay and make it look crispy. RIP! Had to fall down on me, but she's secured. What a difference though. As soon as I was done putting the protectant on, she is way brighter than how she was earlier. Compared to the other plastics, it looks like it's drying up or like dying, but it's not going out yet. This is way better look than that. So we're gonna do the rest of the engine bay and I'll be back. So I was looking at my grill and she looks pretty dull, so we're gonna try to fix her up and make her look more dark, see how this comes out. Alright, she is done. She looks way better than how it was earlier. There is some spots that I did miss, but it's alright. It's not perfect, but it'll do the job. Alright, she's finally done. She looks way better. I'm actually proud how it came out. The engine looks like if it just came out of dealer. Probably me just over exaggerating, but just take a look on how different it was at first. All the main parts are looking sharp. I know there's some spots that are pretty dirty, but stains, can't really do anything about them. Like in this back part, all this is stained. I tried to wipe it off and scrub into it, but couldn't, and I couldn't reach to it either. But it's all good. The side panels looking great. Even on top of here, all blacked out. We got the headlights too. These little plastic parts are here, and this one looks really nice. It's been a while since it's been clean. All the times I go off-roading just gets dirty and dirtier, so I ended up losing motivation to clean it. But weather's nice, decided to get this done, show you guys how to clean it yourself. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. Make sure to leave a comment down below to let me know what I should do next. Also share this video with your friends if they need a tutorial on how to clean their engine bay themselves. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Out.